Hey guys, welcome back. Today we'll be doing something really fun, and I think everybody dreads this happening to them. But my water pump is leaking. I have kitty litter on the floor, and luckily it's soaked up a lot of the coolant that has been dripping out of my truck. Anyways, I am expecting James to come by in a little bit to help me change the water pump. Make sure you get the right pump for an M998 6.2 liter Humvee. This took me and James about 3 hours to finish from beginning to end, but I'll show it to you in a couple of minutes so you get all the steps right using a time lapse. All right, enjoy, guys. So the coolant stack is off there on my driveway with the hood and those side pieces.
And they'll have the parts, or the correct parts. I don't miss that crap one bit, man. Not one stinking bit.
So that's the new water pump in. Now that the water pump is off, you can replace the belts. Now the Humvee uses V belts, and instead of ordering through Humvee parts dealers, you can always go to Napa Auto Parts or Advance or O'Reilly or AutoZone and get these part numbers. This is from Napa. So these are direct replacements that fit and are the same size as the Humvee belts. This is the larger one. You have to get 2 of these and 2 of these. You can also get this brand for the larger one. You have to get 2 of those. But yeah.
Metal cut out, is that you?
I did that.
Can you make anything work?
Huh?
Can you make anything work?
I design all this on the computer. And I think I'm cut laser cut. On the computer. Just going to the
Okay, all done. So brand new water pump. There. Brand new belts. And everything's running fine. No more leaks. Have a great day, guys.